Hello everyone, this is my video demonstration of my final project for CS50 web development with Python and JavaScript. My project is ChefConnect, which is kind of a social media platform, specially designed for people who love cooking and who love to share their recipes with other people. And as a user, you can see all the other recipes and you can give reactions as well as follow other users. You can also give ratings and reviews to other recipes as well. But firstly, you have to register to make all the other actions because currently you are not an authorized user and you can only see other recipes and their details. You cannot do any other actions like following other users or giving reactions or giving reviews. You can only see the details of the recipes. And if you click any of the route, you will be redirected to the login route automatically, like this. It is automatically redirected to login route because you are not an authorized user. Now I'm going to sign up as a new user. Just for demonstration, I'm going to type username as test and email is test@gmail.com and password also test. And you have to choose your profile picture, but it is kind of optional, so you can just leave it blank and you have to write your description. I'm just gonna click the register button and you will be directly redirected to the login page. Now I can log in as test user. Now you are successfully authorized and you can see your profile at the corner of the web page. In the home page, you will see all the recipes that other users share, and you can also go to the detail page of the recipe by clicking this view recipe button, and you can see all the details of the recipe, including the ingredients, instructions, and nutrition information as well. You can also see all the reviews here. And you can also filter all the recipes by these categories as well. Let's say I want to filter them by breakfast tag, and if you click the apply filter, you will see all the recipes that have breakfast tag. And you can also filter them by preparation time. Let's say I want to see all the recipe that took only less than 20 minutes, and you can see that this recipe is it takes only 50 minutes to finish. You can also search recipe by this search box. Let's say pancake. And you can see all the pancakes here. And as an authorized user, you can also create a new recipe. Okay, I'm just going to create a new recipe for demonstration. You can also choose all the existing tags, or you can add new tags as well. And you can also see all the selected tags here, and you can delete them as well. And you can also select the recipe image and choose the ingredients as well. You can also choose all the units for each ingredient, and you can also add new ingredient as well. And you will see all the selected ingredients here. You can delete them if you want. And you can also add instructions for each recipe. And you can also add the nutritional info. And if you click the add recipe button, you can see that this message is here, recipe added successfully, and you will see the newly added recipe here. And you can go to the recipe info, and if you are the one who created this recipe, you will see the delete button here. And you can also save your own recipe if you want, and you can also edit the recipe information as well. I separated the addition parts into 3 parts: for general recipe info, for ingredients, and for instructions. And you can edit them separately. Let's say I want to edit the general info. I want to change the name from test to new recipe. And you can also see the already selected text here, because when the page reloaded, these text will be automatically selected here by JavaScript. You can also change your recipe image as well, and if you click save changes, you will see the message here, and recipe information are edited. You can also change the ingredients info. You will see that you already have the selected ingredients when you edit it. You can delete them if you want. And save changes. And you can also edit your instruction as well. And for the instruction addition part, I also add this feature to swap the steps with top and below to play with the JavaScript. You can do this, and you can also add new instruction. And you can also see the message. And when you click that profile picture at the corner of the web page, you will see your own profile, and you can edit your own profile information as well, or you can also change your password if you want. And I will demonstrate the editing feature for profile. You can see that your profile description is already edited. You can also see the total recipes that you added, and the total followers and the total following users that you have. And below you will see all the recipes that you added. And you can also go to the profile of other users, and you will see features like following. And if you follow this user, and if you click the following button at the navigation bar, you will see all the following users that you have. And you can also make actions to follow or unfollow these users from this page. And you can see that the follower count is dynamically changing without refreshing the page. And you can also save the recipes to your favorite list. And when you click the favorites, you will see all the recipes that you save. You can also unsave this recipe here, or you can also go to that recipe details. And I can also give ratings and reviews to other users. You can also see all the reviews as well. Just for demonstration, or rated 1 and test review, and post it, and you can see your review here. You can also delete your own review. And you can also give reactions to each recipe. And if you click this like or unlike button, you can see that the data is dynamically changing. And in the home page, what you see here is the average ratings from all the reviews for each recipe. The last thing I want to talk about is that my web application is also mobile responsive for all the web pages. Alright, this is all about my final project for CS50 web development with Python and JavaScript, and thanks for watching this video.